Hello, my name is James with OMG Electronics, and let me take a moment of your time to tell you about our company and the all-new cell phone launches. First, we have over 20 years experience in the cell phone industry, owning and operating multiple locations throughout the California area. However, during that time, there has not been a more unique device than a cell phone launch. Let's take a moment to talk about some of their amazing features. The more traditional features include making and receiving calls, voicemail, caller ID, call waiting, call hold, text messaging, picture messaging. This watch also has Java, which allows you to do Facebook, Twitter, MySpace, YouTube, and download hundreds of different apps. What's unique about the watches as well is they also have USB. That means you can directly connect your device to your computer and have accessibility to all types of different files that you can download to your watch or upload to your computer. So if you don't mind, let me take a moment to show you some of these incredible features.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is our executive series model. Okay, first, all the watches come with touchscreen. So what we're going to do is we're going to touch the screen to get to the main menu. Once at the main menu, you can see that I have a screensaver of the Los Angeles Lakers. Also, you can see displayed on top is a carrier that I'm with, which is AT&T. All the watches are unlocked and work with any GSM SIM-based carrier, whether in the United States or in other countries. Okay, next, you'll see the time and the date. To the left, you'll see the menu button. To the right, names. And in the middle, a phone icon. If we press the phone icon, that'll take us into the keypad. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to dial my number. And hit send. Now, once this call goes through, you should be able to hear my other phone ring. Now, once the other phone is answered, you can simply either select the hands-free button, or what you can do is you can also talk through your Bluetooth or through your USB using a hardwire, or if you have a vehicle that has Bluetooth, you can use that method as well. Okay? So what we're going to do is we're going to hang up. The next thing I want to show you is an incoming call. The great thing about the watches is you can actually download various music and play that on your watch as your ringtone. So if you don't like the ringtones that it comes with, you can actually customize your ringtone. And I will display that right now by making a phone call to the watch. Now I have the option to either answer it, or what I did is just reject it. So I can either answer it by Bluetooth, again using my hardwire, going from my USB, or by speakerphone. Now, what's amazing by that is what you couldn't see is that my watch was also vibrating. So you have the option to have it on silent, ring, or vibrate, or both, which is vibrate and ring. Now, one of the things that I want to talk to you about, which is really exciting, is that if you don't want to use your finger to operate the phone and navigate through, each watch has a hidden stylus built into the band, as you can see here. What that allows me to do is use this instead of my finger, so now I can navigate. Let's go to menu. And what I want to do is kind of walk you through the various icons that the watch has. First, you see Bluetooth, which is self-explanatory. You can have Bluetooth, again, through your Bluetooth device or through your vehicle. Call history. By pressing that, you can see the different types of phone calls here that we've made, whether it's missed calls, received calls, your call timer, deleted calls, what have you. Okay? Messaging. If you go into messaging, you'll see it has all the different boxes as far as incoming, your inbox, your drafts, templates, sent messages, or to write a message, or your SMS. Okay? Let's go back. Phone book. You're able to carry up to 500 to 1,000 phone book listings. Okay? Speed dial, silent. We're going to do is we're going to go to more. In more, you'll see multimedia. When you click on multimedia, you notice that it has camera, video camera, audio player, video player, sound recorder, and image viewer. By going to camera, you'll notice that the cell phone watch has a front camera. This will allow you to plug the watch using your USB to your computer and making it a webcam, you can also use it for Skype. Video recorder, self-explanatory. We're going to go back. We're going to hit more and then go into organizer. By going into organizer, what we've done is accessed another menu feature. This has calendar, calculator, alarm, ebook reader, tasks, or file manager. If you hit more, you'll notice Java. By hitting Java, it allows you to go into Java and actually access all your apps or either other apps that you can download. For an example, Facebook, Twitter, MSN, email, eBuddy. These are just some of the ones that I have on my watch, but you can download hundreds of apps for free. We're going to go back in the file manager. Now what that does is it gives you the option to go into the memory of the phone itself or the memory card inside the cell phone watch. Each cell phone watch has the ability to have anywhere from 1 gig up to 16 gigs, and in some cases, 32 gigs of memory using a micro SD card. What we're going to do is we're going to go into memory card. The reason you want to go into your memory card is because you don't want to put a lot of memory on your cell phone watch itself. Instead, put it on your memory card so that way you can transfer the memory out or take the micro SD card and use it for other devices. We're going to go ahead and hit open. When we hit open, you can create any file folder that you want. For an example, I have audio, ebooks, movies, music, photos, received, videos. Okay? What I can do is I'm going to go back up and show you guys the photos. These are photos taken from the camera of the cell phone watch. By clicking on, I can access different pictures that I've actually taken. That's a cowboy emblem. And you can go on and do the same thing throughout your photo book. Let's go back to music. Now the great feature about music is you can download thousands and thousands of songs onto your watch. Okay? What I'm going to do is I'm actually going to go through and pick a song that we can play. Now the great thing about the songs is they can play either through your Bluetooth, again your hardwire going from your USB port, or through the speakerphone features in the watch, which is what I'm actually going to use. So once you select a song, you hit play. Let's go back. And I'm actually going to find a song that actually plays a little bit faster here. Let's go with Maxwell. So again, that is incredible. Let's go back and let's go to movies. Okay, you see Avatar, Blue Streak. We have a lot of movies that you can download, and we actually show you how to download movies, music, and other apps to your watch. Let's pick the Transformers. We're going to hit play. And you'll see the actual movie starting to play. Now what we can do is we can actually hit forward and go to a different scene in the movie. We can also hit the side view menu and view the movie's side view. Now the great thing about the movies is that there's various sites that you can actually download the movies from. We have a certain site that we use where a lot of people can download them for video games, and there are actually better ripped copies that you can actually get to show better on your watch. We're going to go back. You can go into tasks, alarm, and all these different things. Let's say, for an example, calculator. Okay, let's go back. We're going to go back to the main menu. Menu. More. MMS. You'll see your voicemail option, broadcast, or your picture messaging. We're going to go to picture messaging. Inbox. Okay, I don't have any message in my inbox. So we can go on the right. And if you want to go ahead and write a message out, you can do that as well. Take a picture from your phone and send out to another person. So these are some of the basic features that the watch has. The incredible thing about the cell phone watches is that it's just that. It's a cell phone watch and everything in one.